So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix HBO Max can't play title, app DRM and network fixes. Fix 1 is hard power cycle your hardware. Unplug your streaming device like TV, Roku, Fire Stick or Apple TV from the wall outlet. Then unplug your internet modem and router. Then wait for exactly 60 seconds. Then plug the modem and router back in first. Then wait for the light to stabilize. Plug your streaming device back in and launch the Max app. Second fix is clear app cache and data. Fire TV and Fire Stick. Navigate to setting, then select application, choose manage installed application. Then locate and select Max. Tap on clear cache and clear data. In Android TV, go navigate to setting, then select app. Choose see all app. Locate and select Max. Tap on clear cache or clear data. In Roku, highlight the Max channel icon. Press the asterisk button, then select remove channel. Restart your Roku, then go to setting, then system restart, then reinstall the Max app. In web browser, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete or Command plus Shift plus Delete, then select cached image and files, then clear all data. Third fix is change audio or video setting. Navigate to TV setting, then audio and video, then format. Change the format to 4K HDR, then turn match content off. For audio setting, change the audio output from Dolby Digital surround sound to stereo or PCM. Max may crash if it cannot handle surround sound data properly. Fourth fix is force a clean reinstall. Delete the Max app from your device, then restart your device completely. Then download the app fresh from the official app store, log back in. Thanks for watching.